Hello everyone. As you can see that here I am again with our picture description 1 in English 1. Okay. तो मैंने बताया था पहले भी that two picture descriptions will be there. You have to look at the picture and you have to write the sentences after watching the picture. Okay, about the picture you are going to write the sentences. Okay, no doubt it can be 5. Okay, if the same question has been asked for 5 marks, so you are going to write only 5 lines. Okay, yes, you can write 6 or 7 also, so that if one of them will be wrong, then you can get the marks if you have written the extra line. Okay, so just to prepare 6 to 7 lines. Okay, no doubt I am going to write 10 lines, but इसमें से आपको जो अच्छी लगे, whatever you like, whatever you can remember, you have to write it. Okay, chalo, let us start the thing. So as you can see that here one picture is there. Okay, just look at the picture, just denote the words. पहले आपको क्या करना है, सारे words देख लो and then onto the by using those words you are going to write the explanation or you are going to write the description. ठीक है, इसको describe करना है इस pictures को. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो that some of pine trees are there, a river is there. ठीक है, and it's a picture of a winter season. So first of all that sentence will be there that this is a picture of a winter season. But you know that India is not that much cold. Only and only north pole, हमारा जो northern side है वहाँ पे ही सिर्फ कश्मीर side में ही only that ये snowfall होता है. Otherwise our winter is not like that. Okay, so yes, it can be said that like yes, this is a picture of a winter season in very cold region. Like some of the European countries are there who are like having snowfall in winter season. Okay, so us according we are going to write the description. Okay, here you can see that a snowman is there. ठीक है, उसका description लिख सकते हो आप. Okay, so चलो लिखते जाते हैं and then you'll come to know. तो first line will be, okay, the first number will be, so what is the picture about that you have to write first, that this is a picture of a winter season in very cold region. Okay, this is a picture of a winter season in very cold region. REGION. ठीक है, region and full stop. ठीक है, चलो. Now the second will be, you can see that how the weather is. इसका weather कैसा है? So it is very cold and snowy. ठीक है, so nowadays also you know that winter is going on, so the weather is very cold. Okay, but here as it is snowy region, so the snowfall will also be there, है ना? So the weather is looking very snowy and cold. हाँ, ये C है, it is C. Okay, चलो. Now let us move to the third sentence. Now as you can see that there are many pine trees. Okay, and these pine trees are covered with the snow. ठीक है, ये सारे जो है ना, this is आपने देखा होंगे, these are the Christmas trees only. ये Christmas जैसे trees होता है. So in colder region you can find these type of trees जिसको बोला जाता है pine trees. Okay, so let us write it only. There are many pine trees in the picture. There are many pine trees in the picture. Okay, and you can add that they are covered with snow. Okay, they are covered with snow. Okay, chalo, let us move to the fourth one. And as you can see that snow is everywhere in the picture. Okay, so here I am going to write that also, that snow is everywhere in the picture. Okay, full stop. No doubt here I am going to write the next sentences next page only, but now I know that आपने पूरा picture अच्छे से देख लिया होगा, so I am going to turn my page only. Now number 5 is a big snowman is there in the picture. A big snowman is there in the picture. Okay, and full stop. ठीक है. Now number 6 is the snowman has. Now we are going to describe a snowman. Snowman कैसा दिख रहा है? तो the snowman has a beautiful woolen cap. Its hands are made up of twigs and it has wore a muffler around its neck. Okay, let me write it and then I will explain the same thing. The snowman has a beautiful woolen cap, then comma, its hands are made up of its hands are made up of twigs. मैं समझाती हूँ अभी. twigs and it has wore a muffler around its neck. Okay, now let us understand the same answer कि क्या है उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो यू नो दैट snowman has a beautiful woolen cap, मतलब उसने बहुत अच्छी वुलन कैप पहनी हुई है. इट्स हैंड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ ट्विग्स, मतलब जो ट्विग्स होती है, जो लकड़ियाँ होती है पेड़ की, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्विग्स. जो टहनियाँ होती है उसके जो हैंड्स है उसमें से बनाए गए हैं. एंड इट हैज वॉर अ मफलर अराउंड इट्स नेक, और उसके नेक के आजू बाजू उसने क्या पहना हुआ है? मफलर पहना हुआ है. ओके, चलो let us move to the 7th line. The snowman has a cone nose and it is very big. Okay, so the snowman has a cone nose, full stop, it is very big. मतलब जो स्नोमैन है उसने कोन की, देखना होगा ना आपने, कोन ऐसे ट्रायंगल शेप में, उसकी नोज ऐसी ट्रायंगल शेप जैसी है. एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी बिग, और वो बहुत बड़ी है. ओके, चलो नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द लास्ट लाइन. देयर इज अ रिवर विच इज फ्रोजन ड्यू टू द कोल्ड वेदर. ओके, देयर इज अ रिवर, हियर फुल स्टॉप इज नॉट देयर, हाँ, which is frozen due to the cold weather. ठीक है, मतलब जो बीच में से जो नदी जा रही है ना, वो कैसी हो गई है? फ्रोज हो गई है, मतलब जम गई है, क्योंकि वेदर बहुत ज्यादा कोल्ड है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द ऑल अबाउट. Okay, I hope that you got the translation, you got the meanings of each and every line very nicely. If फिर भी though some of the doubts will be there, then I will be there in Zoom classes for solving the same doubts. Okay, चलो, write the whole picture description once in the notebook whenever this video will be watched by you. जब आप ये वीडियो देख लोगे उसके बाद you have to write the whole exercise sheet once in the notebook. Okay, चलो बेटा, your ma'am is signing off. Bye bye.